sure takes its precious time. It sure takes its precious time. But it's got rights and so have I.
Hey, what's happening? So, I've been doing a lot of social media and branding lately, and I'm really trying to work on all aspects of my entrepreneurship. Oh man, cops found me. Here they come. Gotta hide. Anyhow, so I'm doing Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. Not really doing any Snapchat. LinkedIn. And I know there's probably some confusing messages about who I am and what I do. So basically, I am a musician, and as I got older and out of college, I became an entrepreneur, and I did some businesses that were successful. And then in 2011, I decided to go full-time with music. And now I do music, but I also have a very good booking agency, and we are growing rapidly. And so my messages on my different platforms varied based on who I think the audience would be who's watching it. So the reason I'm explaining all this is because I'm still trying to figure out what the quote parent branding company would be. And I'm trying to figure out how to make it easy, so if you want to go and learn something that you thought I might have knowledge about, and it's drumming related or doing gigs, you might go to my drummer Joe Costello Instagram page or Facebook page. But if you want to know more about the business and things that I do under my booking agency, you might look under On Stage's Facebook page or Instagram account or LinkedIn account. So I'm trying to figure this all out. I'm trying to create a hierarchy so it makes it very easy that if someone has a question for me and it's related to a particular subject, that I can actually do these videos and post comments and things under the appropriate spot, so it's easy to go find that stuff. Again, I mentioned his name before, but Gary Vaynerchuk, or Gary V as he's also known, has multiple divisions under VaynerX, which is his parent sort of company. He's got Vayner Media, he's got Vayner Sports, he's got Vayner Talent. So it's very, very cool how he's created this whole hierarchy, and I'm working on figuring all that out and figuring out what that top brand is going to look like and make it easy for everyone to find the information that I am sharing. And that's the ultimate goal for me, is to share everything that I've learned in my time on this earth thus far. And hopefully it will help some of you. So I wanted to clear that up. And if you have any questions for me, please hit me up, make a comment, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, anything at all that I can do, I will do to help. All right. Love you guys. Thanks for following me. I appreciate it very much. Peace out.
It sure takes its precious time. It sure takes its precious time. It sure takes its precious time. But it's got rights and so have I.